Hi, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I would like to talk about how to bring positivity to your home. It's a very important thing to have a very happy life, and your home is the place where the positivity brings. First and the most important thing is the people who are living there. The love, the care, the understanding among the family is most important. But besides to that, there is something called energy, positive and a negative. So here I would like to tell you what are the things which we need to take care to bring positive energy to your home, which I follow in my home, and I will share my experiences and my practices which I do in my home with you all. Hope you all will like it. The first and the most important thing to need to take care is the brooming, mopping, and dusting of the house. This is very important, which most of the housewives do that in home. I usually do like dusting and brooming almost every day and mopping on alternative days. It's very important. It's very important. Cleaning, keep your house always clean. Then the second most important thing is how the sunlight comes inside the house. Sun is a positive energy. See, some houses we in abroad and all we stay in flats, so we cannot concentrate mostly on when we go and find a house. We cannot concentrate mostly on that kind of a house where sun rays comes inside the house. Particularly, it is too difficult to find a house like that. But at least sunlight should come inside the home. It should be bright. The room should be bright. Need to be very careful that the all the rooms, at least your bedroom, your kitchen, your living room, these rooms must get the sunlight. Now you might be thinking I already said almost all the rooms, but for me it's very particular that I need a house which sunlight comes in. Sunlight brings a lot of positive energy. The first thing what I do in the morning is when I wake up, the first thing before even having bed coffee or bed tea, I open the curtain. I'll look outside. If I can see the sun, I will see the sun. That wakes me up. To be honest, that sunlight wakes me up. It gives a lot of energy to me. So open up the curtains. If possible, open the window. When you open the window, open two windows in the opposite direction, or in the other room also, if any window is there, open that also, so that the air circulation will happen. If you open one window, definitely air will come, but it will not circulate all around the house. So try to open all the windows of all the rooms. At least one window you open it for half an hour, 1 hour at least, because most of the houses are having centralized ACs and everything, so we cannot keep it open for a long time. So at least in the morning time, open it for 1 hour and then close it, no problem. But keep the window curtains open for the whole day until the sunset. So these things is very much necessary. The fresh air, the third point is the fresh air to come inside the home is very much essential, because otherwise inside whatever the air is there, because of this AC it is keep on circulating, that air only circulating. If it is centralized AC also the same thing, window ACs also it's the same thing. So the most important thing is to get the fresh air from outside. Please do that. It brings a lot of positive energy to your home. Then the thing which I follow is I love indoor plants. Indoor plants, the greenery brings lots of positivity. Especially my favorite is the bamboo plant and the money plant. I have 3 4 pots of plants here inside. Then aloe vera. These kind of plants are very good. Keep lot of indoor plants, at least one plant in your bedroom, 2 3 plants in the living room, even in kitchen also you can keep, bathroom also you can keep. So keep indoor plants as much as you can, but you must take care of it also, okay? Otherwise what will happen is that small small flies will come, sometimes their leaves will get dry, sometimes fungal infection will come, so you need to take care of it also, like keeping it neat and clean. Sometimes even you need to do the dusting of plants also, and you need to keep the leaves clean. You need to give proper medicines. Sometimes you have to take care of it by bringing some indoor plant medicines. So keep lot of indoor plants. It brings lots of positivity, lots of oxygen inside the house. So but be careful, most of the people likes to keep bonsai and cactus. So somewhere I read before that this cactus and bonsai like stopping the growth of people or something like that, energy will stop. So somehow I don't like to keep these two kind of plants inside the home. I like to bring those kind of plants which is having, which I feel it like a positivity is there, like a money plant I feel good. It's a creeper, so we can, sorry, climber, so we can just climb it wherever we want, and different decorative, like on the wall, door also we can do it like an arch, something you can do. Then this is one of the most important thing, always remember to keep indoor plants. Now another important thing which I follow is lighting lot of candles, especially scented candles. And if you don't like scented candles, some people have allergy to the scents, then bring the normal candles, tea light candles. Now lot of different varieties, different shapes, like different candle holders, beautiful candles you will get. Buy candles and light it. Candles brings energy, that it destroys the negative energy. The candles or the diya, why we light a diya in every day in home and all, so that while we are praying to God, all the negativity will go away and the positive energy comes from there. We can feel that. It is the same technique what I'm telling. So light candles everywhere. Everywhere means all the room you need to light the candles. On the dining table you can decorate it, on the tea table you can decorate it, in kitchen corners you can decorate it, inside bathrooms, slabs and all you can decorate it. So at least buy the tea light candles, small candles, which are 100 candles in one packet you will get to buy in very cheaper price. One candle at least in every room you light every day. If possible, light every day, at least on alternative days you must do it. So light as much as candles you can. Then fresh flowers. I have seen in most of the houses people keep decorative artificial flowers. It is good only, but to be honest, personally, I don't like keeping dry flowers in home. I don't feel that kind of positive energy when it is there. So even potpourri, I don't keep it. So I try to bring fresh flowers. It's not possible to buy for me every week or every day, something like that. So when you go out, when the month starting or somewhere, you go and buy a small bunch of flowers, you keep it and try to cut the stem of it in 3 4 days, and the end you just try to cut it and again keep it. You can keep that and stay that for, in my home I keep that for around 15 to 20 days. My flowers will be there without having any problem. 15 days for sure, 2 weeks it will be there. Little bit it will get dry, the dry leaves and all you can just pluck it and throw it, but fresh flowers If it is possible, bring fresh flowers to your home. Then if you are having a big clay pot or a glass pot, a big glass pot, fill water in that and light few candles, few petals of flowers you can put if it is available. From your garden also you can pick any flowers, or pick some flowers or leaves and then light few candles in that and keep it in the living room, in the center of the living room you can keep that. That's a very good thing to bring positive energy. Then feng shui is something, feng shui items, certain feng shui items is something which I like a lot, like wind chimes, particularly wind chimes. I love the soothing sound of it. Wind chimes comes in different sizes, shapes, variety of sounds, but I still like the old traditional, that seven stands, with that seven stands, and very beautiful sound comes from that, a little loud sound. Those kind of wind chimes you buy, and wherever the wind circulation is there, usually people say to put it in the entrance, but here in flats and all, if we keep it in the entrance, it doesn't make any sound. Wind chimes should make sound to bring that positive energy. That is what I believe. We can just simply hang it there and no sound, nothing. It will be lying there only full of dust or spider web and all these things. So nobody is taking care of that thing. No, it should make sound. So keep the wind chime in a place where air circulation is there, where the wind is flowing inside the home. When we open the window, wherever the wind is blowing, so that kind of a place you put that, so that that sound energy comes inside, all around the home, inside everywhere. Then everybody is following one or other belief in God. Some are Christian, some are Muslim, some are Hindu, and in many other religion. And I respect every religion. Some religion follow the custom of lighting candles or diyas in the morning or in evening or both the time. Some religion doesn't follow lighting the candles or something, but sorry, they pray at that time. Evening, make sure, or morning, make sure that everybody stand together and pray for at least 1 minute by lighting a candle or a diya. And if you are not following that custom, no need to light the candle or diya, but at least stand there and pray. And that brings lots of energy to the home. Definitely there is a superior power above us. I believe, truly believe in that. So calling that superior power means we are asking the blessing from him, so it will definitely brings that energy to the home. So while praying, if you don't have any problem in lighting the candle or diya, please do that, because lighting a candle or lighting a diya means destroying the negative energy. So it brings a lot of positivity. And if you are lighting an incense, very good. That also please do. That is very good. A lot of positive energy will come to the home. Then once in a week or once in 2 weeks, definitely give incense smoke to your home. That is frankincense you need to buy and keep in home. Frankincense, you have to do that incense smoke in once in 2 weeks. I personally felt like a lot of positivity when I do that. And it's not only the energy, it kills the minute germs or bacteria or whatever is there in the home. Right now we are all in lockdown, and because of some COVID-19 virus and all, we are taking care a lot about us, like in hygiene, in personal hygiene and surroundings hygiene and everything. So this is also a method that most of the people follows. I think most of the people knows it. I personally do once in a week. I definitely do, like lighting the frankincense all around the house. That smoke and that smell, that beautiful fragrance, enlighten the energy, destroys the small flies, kills the small flies or any germs or bacteria, whatever is there. um, I believe it goes. I don't know any scientific um, anything about it, but that's my belief. Then the most important thing is, once we are in a home, usually we keep furnitures. Okay, this is the place for bed, study table, or dining table. We keep it like that, and I know we will never change the position of furniture anytime. My suggestion is, at least once in 6 months, 3 months, keep changing the position of your furniture. When we don't move something for quite long time, I heard that negative energy comes and accumulate there. And slowly what will happen is that energy will start affecting to the surroundings. So that's what I heard. My grandmother used to say that. So what I do is that I keep changing the position of the furniture. Keep moving the things, like once in a month if you can do it, that's very good. If you cannot do it, some houses are very small and it will be very difficult for them to do, so you keep changing, like in once in 3 months or sometime, like change the position. Or mostly it comes in wardrobe and bed, it will be very heavy, but we need to get to buy, online also we get some wheels, we get it, you can keep it down to the legs of bed or a wardrobe, and you can roll it. It is very easy. In abroad and all, Lulu you will get it, and in India Amazon you will definitely get that. I forget the name of it, but definitely you can, if you search it you will come to know. These kind of wheels we will get to move these furnitures. So buy that and one, keep it in your home. It's very cheap also, and it will help you in moving the furniture as and when you want, and to keep it, keep changing the position of it. These are the few things which I follow in my life to bring the positivity to my home. So whatever these things we follow, it all depends on how we people are there in the home. The most important thing is the love between all of us who are there inside that home. Plus you can do these kind of things. Let everyone's home be filled with positive energy and stay happy. Thank you. Bye bye.